Alright, Lego Fanatics, I'm back. As you can see, this thing is just giving me grief, but that's okay. It's on there now. It's still gonna like try to pop off on me, but I don't care. You know, it's just a design flaw. I had to use two 1x2s in here on the connections to actually get it to sit the way it's sitting. So no worries, just a little design flaw and I'm good to go. I've got some more parts here, so I'm going to keep going. Alright, so this, let's see what I've got here. I'm trying to read my instructions here. Okay, so this goes here, like that. Yeah. And then this goes here, like that. Flip it over. This. Okay, so I gotta put this here first, and I gotta pop that off of my. Just having one of those days. Okay, this is gonna go here, apparently, like that. And I'm showing this piece going here. This white piece goes there. Okay. And this piece goes on the end, like right, like that. Okay. Just little detail, and then I've got to bring this thing over because this is going to go showing me how to do it, and I just need to, let's see, let's flip it like the directions they're showing me, because maybe that'll make more sense to me. Does it go like that or like that? I think it goes like this. Yep, that's how it goes, just like that. Alright, cool. So, more detail on the wing. Like I said, I'll keep building. Yep, I'm going to fix that too, because that's a nightmare for me, and I'll fix it later. Right now, I'm not worried about it. Alright, so like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.